Let's go ahead and save this file. So we're going to save this file. So we're going to click save, and we're going to put it in my first project. We can pull this down and then create a folder. So we're going to click new folder, and we're going to put in, let's say, this year 2024, and then engineering 9. Okay. Then type the name, and we're going to put a drawing name here. So whatever name you want, I'm gonna call this part 1 or engineering part. And then click save. And the new folder should appear here. And then the name of your file is engineering part. Okay. Um, so that's just how to save it. Now, what we're going to do next is we're going to create these wings here. Or we can create the rounded top first. Let's do that. I think we did a rounded top when we were doing it in AutoCAD. So to do the rounded top, we are going to use the fillet. Okay, so under modify, you have fillet here. So we're going to do fillet, and we're going to select the edge. And once you select the edge, this box will appear, and you can type in the radius of the fillet. Okay, and the radius of this one is going to be a radius of 20 on both sides. So we're going to type here 20, press enter, and then we're going to also do it on this other side. Fillet, and then type 20, press enter, and there you go. You now have that rounded side. Okay. Um, Next, we are going to create the wings here on this side. And to do that, we are going to either sketch at the bottom and then raise it up, or sketch on the side and raise it up. Okay. So let's do sketching on the side. So to sketch, create a sketch on the side, you have to click on the face of the solid and then click sketch here, and then it will show you the face of that side. And what I wanted to do is I wanted to create a line here that is 10 from this corner. Okay, now I know that the grids are already set to 10, so I can just simply draw a line here at this intersection here. But if it's not exactly at 10, you can select a corner and then go up and then type in 10, and then you're now here, and then go get another line and then start from that endpoint, and then drag and go to this intersection. Okay, and I want to delete that other line that I created, so I'm going to go to my select tool here, and I'm going to select that line, and I'm simply going to press delete on my keyboard, and then that's now deleted. So once I'm done, I'm simply click finish sketch, and now I have that line there so that it divided this face into two parts. And from this point, I can now simply do an extrude, select the bottom face, okay, and then type the extrusion. And how long do I want that to stick out? Well, this is going to be 20, and the radius of this half a circle is also going to be 20 because the total is 40. So that will be 20, and the radius is 20, so it's going to be a total of 40. So over here, I type in simply 40, and then press enter, and there you go. Okay, now I can do the other side too, but let's do that later. So for now, we're going to do again a rounded edge here. Okay, so to the rounded edge, we're going to do another fillet and select the edge and type in the radius of 20, and do the same thing on the other side and fill it again, and then type in 20, press enter. Okay, there you go. So once you've done that, you can now save your work. And once you do that, you just do a description, and this version basically is just an update, and so you can just click OK. And then once you've done that, um, you will see an update, and you will now see that this is now the version 2. So that means that you've saved this a second time. So this is the second version of your engineering part. Okay.